Bro, look at that. What is this again? Can you see this? New update, seriously? Damn! This is iOS 17.0.2. Why Apple? Why this update again? Bro, few days ago, I made update of this phone. And today, look at what I see again. Can you see this? Can you see this? Wow! This is cool. This is what is this? This is what is this, bro? As you can see this update fix and an issue that may prevent transferring data directly from another iPhone during setup. What? Network connection. Look at my router. Wow. Look at the message you have here. Unable to download at this time. This update requires a Wi-Fi network. Wow. My router is turned off, bro. Just you need to wait for that. Oh, it's back. Okay. So what can I do now? Let's try to go back to what? Wi-Fi. I'm looking for Wi-Fi. Let's check. Let's try to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Go back again. Let's looking for software update and let's check. Can you see this? This update still here. What can I do? You can see update tonight. So let's update this thing quickly. Let me enter my passcode. And the update process we start. You can see iOS 17. Can you see this? Update process started. It can take just few minutes. This is depending of your network connection speed. So you need to wait for that. Let's see what about memory of this phone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, nice, with USB Lightning port. Okay. Now let's see memory. Look at available RAM right now. Can you see this? Can you imagine? Wow. This days is just wow. I can see this preparing update. Okay. I can see look at tonight almost 2 o'clock. This is my job and do it for you. So like, subscribe and share this video because this is amazing and I love you all. Okay, look at how your USB lighting look like. Can you see this? USB lightning port. Damn. I also have to see something because this is amazing. As you can see, preparing update. So what can you do? Okay, wait a few minutes of that. Let's see my USB lightning port. Can you see this? I try to zoom, but it's okay. Now you can see something. Wow, look at inside. Look at how it look like right now. Bye bye USB lightning. Bye bye. Can you imagine? This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you imagine? iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is 2020 phone. And look at that. This is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is 2018 phone, bro. Look at this phone has USB Type-C. Can you see this? And look at this is the oldest phone here. This is the oldest phone here. But look at USB Lightning port here, USB 2.3.0. Damn. What can I say? What can I say? What can I say, Apple? The good news today is that now you can have this USB Type-C on the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 series, bro, or iPhone 15 series. But it's too late. It's too late, in my opinion. Look at this 2018 phone, bro. This 2018 phone has USB Type-C, and this is cool. This is S9 Plus, my friend. Can you see this? Live. Look at how it look like. Look at that. Great. Okay. What do you want to do today? What do you want to do? Okay, this is added process. Just you need to wait again a few minutes for finishing of this installation. Just wait. Okay, wait for me. Wait for that. You need to charge also your phone. I have 88% of battery. You need 50% of battery before doing this. Okay, good. Wait a minute. No. Wait more than 1 minute. I have something on the screen. Verifying update. Seriously? What? This phone is off. Why? I don't know. What are you doing? iPhone 12 Pro Max, what are you doing? Look at this glass screen protector, what I put into this phone. Oh, I have logo here. Yes. Apple logo. Apple logo. Apple logo. What are you doing? Apple logo. As you can see, the installation process start. Okay, what you need to do is just wait for that. I think that is not a great update. This is just bug fixes. Okay, no problem. This is what happens when you have new iOS update. Yes, big iOS update. This is the brand new iOS 17, and okay, this is a new phone, new update. What man creates has always problem. What man create has always problems. Only God can create something perfect. God, I like you. I love you. You are so nice. You are so beautiful. Hmm. Sit more to think about this. Because it's the truth. Ha! Now you need to wait a few minutes for finishing of this update again. Wow. Just in few days. Damn. Dum 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 dum. There's something here. Look at that. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0.2. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Now you need to unlock your phone again with a code, passcode. Okay, let's do it. As you can see, now we are back. Okay. This is my brand new video. GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel. And look at that. This is Mortal Kombat. Can you see this? You can watch the video right now. This is a brand new video. The last video right now. Wow. This is cool, bro. This is nice. The brand new EA Sport FC 24 will come today for PC. Get ready for that. Maybe I will have this and bring with you my YouTube channel also. Let's see more information about this phone right now after the update, and boom, it's up to date. Yes, not bad. What about memory now? Let's see. What? 93 megabytes of available RAM? Damn. This is what you need to restart this phone. Just power off. Slide to power off. Let's do it. You need to wait for that. My Lamborghini will come soon. Get ready to see my Lamborghini on your Studio 4 YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. My red Lamborghini and my green Lamborghini. Nice. Two amazing Lamborghinis, seriously. Okay, now turn on base one. Press on power button. Logo appear. Okay, welcome back. This is a new day, a new month. Okay, let me enter my passcode. Welcome to iPhone. And now what can you do? Just 1, 2, 3. Let's open iOS 64. Let's open memory, and boom. Look at available RAM right now. Can you see this? Damn! It's invisible. It's invisible, bro. How is it possible? Do you believe this? Can you see this, bro? It become invisible. Look at RAM right there. Can you see this? Which is good. This is nice. Now, this is why you need to restart your phone sometime to reset, to actualize your phone, optimize your phone to have better performance. And now you can enjoy your phone. My phone is up to date now, and I can enjoy my new video. Guys, okay, maybe this video will appear on this screen. Just here, you can watch this directly. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I love you. Can you see this? This is crazy. This phone still beautiful.